they've launched a brand new brand. It's called iQOO. You pronounce it as iQOO, though it's written as iQOO, and it stands for I Quest On and On. And true to its words, the phone that they've launched first is a great device. It comes with the best of processing power, best of cameras, a really nice design, and one of the fastest charging smartphones. But before I can convince you why you should buy that smartphone, I think I had to convince myself by using the phone for a while, testing it around, clicking the best of pictures, and finding out what's the best part about the phone. Yes, it is one of the beast that you will find in the market with the Snapdragon 865 processor, but what you need to do is also test benchmark scores, which is claimed by benchmark testing companies that it has the highest in the world. It crosses almost 6 lakh in Antutu benchmark scores, and we will show you if it is really a fact or not. We did some gaming on it. It really impressed us, and the best part, when you're gaming, it has some enhancement for gamers that make your gameplay better and it doesn't heat up. Let's find out how the device is and figure out if you should buy it or not. Well, a lot of people will give you the first reason, the Snapdragon 865 processor, but for me, most important part about a smartphone is what is its after sale support. For example, I buy like a phone for 30-40 rands. What if it goes bad one day? What will I do? Where would I go? What should I do with it? And to make sure that this phone has the best of after sale service support, the company is giving you a pickup and drop of the device all across India. So that's the best part about it. And you know, they support 15,000 pin codes and give you 24/7 customer support service. So that way you're at least sure that if you're spending around 30,000 rupees, you're in safe hands. Now this phone is considered a beast of a smartphone. Now it's considered as a gaming smartphone, and it has the world's most powerful Android platform, that is the Snapdragon 865 processor. Yes, it's 5G enabled, and there was a lot of hula about 5G capabilities in the device. It's good to have 5G, of course, it's future proof, but I would not say that buy a phone just because it's 5G, because we don't have 5G networks in India right now. But it's always good to have it if you can, in the future use it. And people who are saying that it makes no sense at all to have a 5G smartphone is not something that I would say is right, because if you're traveling a lot and you go to countries where there is 5G, you can at least use that phone in 5G data connectivity and experience those high speeds. So having 5G is not a problem. Problem is that if the company is telling you that the only thing that good about is this 5G, but over here there are so many good things about it, not just 5G. So starting with performance is great because of Snapdragon 865 mobile platform, and it comes with 8GB and 12GB variants. We have both and we tested both, and both are incredibly fast thanks to its LPDDR5 RAM capabilities and UFS 3.1 storage. But that's not all. If you have the best of specs and the display doesn't match up to it, then that's a problem. But to make sure that you have one of the best displays in the market, the phone comes with 6.44 inch Super AMOLED polar view display, and the brightness goes up to 1200 nits when required. So imagine that kind of quality. And to support all this and making it even better, it has HDR10 plus certification also. So when you experience great content and it fits HDR10 certified, you're going to experience the best of quality. Now what it does is, you see the best of blacks and best of whites. If there's a show that you're watching on Netflix or any OTT platform and there is a lot of black around it, in a non-HDR10 plus phone display, you would not even see the shadows and everything else. But in this phone, you can see those very clearly. And that's not it about the display. To make the display even better, it has a 180Hz Super Touch response system for gamers out there, because the better the response rate, the better the response time, the better gamer you become while playing games. There are a lot of other enhancements for gamers also, like the game mode that they have. But what makes it really interesting is the air triggers on the sides that make games like PUBG a breeze. And to add to the experience, they have 4D vibration. So if you feel that somebody is coming or somebody is about to walk down towards you, will feel those vibrations from all the 4 sides of the phone, making very immersive gameplay experience. Now in today's time and date, no smartphone is complete without a great set of cameras, because what you click from your camera and what you post online is how you judged. So if you're posting something that is not great looking, you are judged because then your phone is not great. To make sure that the phone has the best of camera, this phone comes with a 4 or quad camera setup comprising of the primary camera is 48 megapixel sensor accompanied by 13 megapixel telephoto lens, a 13 megapixel super wide angle lens with a 120-degree view, and a 2 megapixel bokeh camera. The 4 cameras on the iQOO 3 offer perfect camera tools to explore infinite possibilities. iQOO 3 also features a super video stabilization anti-shake EIS algorithm that helps you record videos with minimal jitters. To be honest, we were recording some videos and we hardly felt the need for a stabilizer for us. Now coming to the selfie, it comes with a 16 megapixel punch hole camera, and to make it better, it is the tiniest punch hole you'll see on a smartphone screen. So let's go ahead and check out some samples of photos, videos, selfies and see how the camera performs. So what will you do with all that power if your phone doesn't last even a day? So to make sure this phone lasts more than a day, iQOO has given iQOO 3 a 4440 mAh battery. But what do you do with that beast of a battery if you can't charge it fast? To make sure that it charges really fast, they have given you a 55 watt supercharger that charges the phone really fast. Now if you're curious about the charging speed, you can charge this phone 0 to 50 in 15 minutes flat. And if you want to full charge it from 0 to 100, it takes around 40 minutes, just 40 minutes to be honest. Now no experience is complete without the software. So let's talk about the software of the phone. It comes with the iQOO UI, which is a brand new UI. It's very enhanced from that. It also has the monster mode to unleash the power of the smartphones. It has dark mode and a lot of other options that you can play around with. So these were our top reasons to buy the iQOO 3 smartphone. We are really impressed, and as you can see, it has everything that a smartphone user would want in today's time and date. The pricing is impressive, the power of the phone is impressive, battery life, camera, and especially I really loved the volcano orange color, and it's something that I've never seen on a smartphone. Best part, it's not plastic, it's called Gorilla Glass, specially painted on that smartphone. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel.